Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you guys can tell in the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I film my YouTube videos. So for me, it was really important to show you guys how I film my YouTube videos because I don't have like this big setup of my YouTube thing because honestly, I don't have the money for it. And I honestly use my phone, ring lights, and lights, but I want to show you guys all of that. I thought it was really important to show you guys as well because a lot of us that watch YouTube don't have any fancy setups, and a lot of the people that do these how I do my YouTube videos, some people already have like a nice setup, especially in the beauty community. I am not shaming anybody for showing us how fancy their settings are. No, because those are actually really helpful. Like for me, if I want to like improve how I do my YouTube videos, I can just see those videos and kind of see an idea of how they make these. But if you're trying to start off, I think it's important to know that you don't need those fancy lights or anything like that to start up on a YouTube video. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it. So as you guys are seeing right now here, you guys are on my iPhone 8 Plus. I do film with my iPhone 8 Plus front camera. That's really important to know because you don't need a fancy camera. Like you could get one, but like right now I can't afford it, so I use my iPhone 8 Plus camera. Before I was using another phone with, I think it was an iPhone 7, so I was using that one. But I am using that with my 14-inch ring light. So normally people have like those really big ones. I have the 14-inch was a smaller ring light, and I am using like these little piece that is connected to my ring light to hold my phone to see. And then I'm going to show you guys how my lights look right now so you guys can see how it looks. Let me just go ahead and move the camera. But before I start doing that, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and please subscribe and hit that bell notification to know when I upload more videos. I have been doing a lot of videos and I'm going to continue doing more videos. If you guys have not seen, I have created this eye look using a palette, but I did a day to night. So this is my night look. That's gonna be my previous video before this one. So if you guys want to check it out, go ahead and check it out because it was kind of fun to create two looks at the same time. But if you guys haven't checked out any other videos, go ahead and check them out. They're obviously on my channel. So let's go ahead and continue with the video. So I have you guys here. I'm gonna show you guys how I do my videos. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn the camera around so you guys can see because I want you guys to see the lighting that I'm using. It's just my room lighting. So let me just show you guys. That is where I sit down and I put my phone right here in this little thing that I have here. And you guys can see that it's there. So I put my phone there with the camera facing me because if I try to do it the other way, I don't really know how the camera is. So I basically would have to buy like a little monitor. And then that's me. Hi. And then I have these little lights that I bought in IKEA. So this is my vanity lights that I'm using, and I'm using the ring light. So that is what I'm using to get the lighting. I used to get this. This is like a little set thing that I have here. That's how I'm basically holding my light. I don't know if you guys can see, but that is how I'm doing it. Basically, before I used to have my ring light right over here. I used to film videos with this window. I would basically open this curtain and get the light from the outside like this. Let me show you guys how the camera looks if I do that. So this is how the video looks with my front camera facing me with the outside light. I didn't turn off my vanity light, so this is how it looks. It gives it more of like a darker kind of tone. And I started filming my videos on my other lights because I feel like it just kind of gave me a better sense of a look of everything. I feel like you're able to see more. And even my sister said that you're able to see how my makeup looks better like that instead of me doing it the other way like this before. So I stopped doing my videos like this. Now I do my videos the other way because the lighting is just different. I'm going to go ahead and put you guys back so you guys can see. Okay, as you can see, it has just better lighting. I get like a full light on me and the background as well. You guys can see my room from the back. Normally I would have like those black curtains, but I just felt like it was kind of boring to me. So I stopped doing that. So even though I don't have the fancy lighting, fancy camera, fancy microphone, I don't even have like a little extra microphone, I kind of started doing these videos and just started editing everything on my iPhone. So what I normally would do is go on my iPhone, go on iMovie. I would download the app iMovie, and it's a free app. So I would basically record my videos in parts. So I feel like if I need more time to do something, I pause it and I just finish it, and then I press play whenever I want to continue. So the video won't be so long when it comes to editing. So then after that, I basically transfer all the videos to iMovie, and basically the video would be like a 30-minute long video, and I would basically edit it out to make it smaller, like that is not as long, and cutting out all the boring parts that you guys don't really need to see. So that's how I started doing it. Once it's on iMovie and I have everything saved up, I don't use any non-copyright music, because apparently I've been hearing that a lot of people are having issues with that, and basically it keeps getting copyrighted even though it says that it's non-copyrighted music. So I have been using music from iMovie. So in iMovie there's soundtracks, and then you could pick from any. It has like playful, it has action, it has all those things. So I just use those, and I haven't had any issues with my music, so I just use that. Hopefully one day I'm able to figure out how I could do the music without having it to get copyrighted, because that's not good. I don't want to have any copyrighted strikes on my channel, so I'd rather not risk it. So after that, I save it. The only thing about that is that you want to make sure you have enough storage on your iPhone, because there's going to get to one point where you're going to have to start deleting certain things, because it just starts adding up. So the good thing is that my dad ended up fixing up my laptop, so I'm able to transfer all my stuff to my laptop now and kind of edit them there. So when you save it, I always try to save it to 1080, kind of like the picture, like super HD. So I try to save it like that you guys can get the best quality of my phone. I try not to save it less than that, because it's just not gonna be as perfect quality. Sometimes there's an issue where you see my video and it's not the perfect quality, so you're gonna have to go manually and put it to 1080, because I don't know, I think it's depending on the Wi-Fi and the connection and all that stuff. That would give you guys a better quality. Just letting you guys know, just in case my videos are not A1, that's because I don't have like the best camera. You get me? I am using my iPhone. So once I am done editing it on iMovie, basically you just cut it, you basically just edit the way you want it. I save it, and then once I save it, I have the YouTube app and the YouTube Studio app. You want to make sure you download this YouTube Studio app, like that you can see whoever comments, or you could basically reply to anybody there. You don't have to go directly to the YouTube app. And you can see your analytics there and everything, and how much money you've earned or anything like that. That's where you're gonna see it. I basically, when my laptop was broken, I would use my iPhone. So I would I would upload the video, my YouTube video, to the YouTube app. And then from there, I would put it private. And in my separate notes on my iPhone, I had any information that I want to copy and paste. I can just copy and paste it there, and make sure that I add all the tags, because like that it's gonna be all complete. And then whenever you want, you can edit all that information on the YouTube Studio app. You don't need to get you don't have to do it on the computer. You can do it through the YouTube Studio app. Even though the YouTube Studio app doesn't have all the stuff that you need, that's when you have to go in on the desktop and put any other information that you want. So that is how I would do it. I am still learning how to do certain things on YouTube. Whenever you guys feel like you guys need to know certain things, just go ahead and go on YouTube and search it up. It's really, really important to do your research, because I feel like we're all kind of new at this, but it's not easy. It's a lot of work. It looks like it's easy, but it's not that easy. Now that I'm really into it, I just want to make sure I do everything good, and it's very time consuming. Sitting and making a video can last you like 40 minutes or more, depending the look and everything like that. And then you still have to sit down and edit all of that out, and then saving it. And saving it can be an issue too, just in case you don't have enough storage or anything like that. That's always going to be a problem. So it's really, really important for you guys to know that YouTube is fun to do and everything, but it also takes a lot of work, and it's going to take a while for it to pay off. Till this day, I could finally monetize my videos. Before I couldn't, but that's because I've been pushing my YouTube to where it needs to be in order to get monetized. That's just like another little thing that I've been learning, and how to handle everything, because since I'm still new, my channel isn't big. But I am very, very happy creating YouTube videos. It is so much fun to me. Learning everything is just a lot of fun, and very, very it's very good to know that I'm able to show you guys more things. And like, it was really, really important to me to show you guys how I do these YouTube videos, because it's not easy. It looks easy, but it's not easy. It's a lot of work, and I am just happy that I can show you guys that you guys don't need like a big setting to do these. You can just get some vanity lights, a ring light, and just your iPhone, and you're good, because you're able to edit all of that on your phone as well. Like I said, you guys don't need all that expensive stuff to start off a YouTube. It's better to start off small and then work yourself up, because you don't need all that fancy gear right now to start off. Just as long as you start off and just focus on being on camera and just trying your best, that's all that matters right now to start off. Slowly but surely you will get comfortable, and that's going to help you guys grow more and more. And always make sure that you always tell people to subscribe to your channel, like that your channel is going to continue to grow and be shown to others. And it's important that everybody engages with your channel, because believe it or not, when you're putting YouTube videos, it's important for you as a YouTube creator to push your videos out there as much as you can, but not like suffocate people with it. You get me? Once I'm always done doing my YouTube videos, I post it on my Instagram and on my Twitter saying that my new video is now live, and I always put like a link, so that's where people could go and check out my video. It's really, really important, you guys, if you guys really want to be doing YouTube videos, it's important to put everything that in your heart and mind into this, because it takes a lot of work and it's not easy. And I just wanted to tell you guys that, because even though you guys see me posting videos all the time, it's very time consuming. Hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. It was really important for me to put this video out there, because I'm obviously a small YouTuber, and I didn't want to wait till like I had like a big setup to show you guys, when I can just show you guys now, and then slowly when I feel like I'm getting more things or something like that, I can just show you guys what I got for my YouTube. If you guys have any questions, or you're just like wondering how certain things, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. I would love to help you guys with anything that I can. People send me direct messages on Instagram asking me what I do to start off my YouTube channel, like what is your advice. And my advice is to just keep going and never stop. Just push yourself to the limit. Just keep pushing yourself. That's what I am actually doing. I'm not like the professional YouTube, or anything like that. I'm starting off. I'm learning. I want to engage with you guys. I want to know what you guys want. I want to give you guys that. And it's really, really important. And I'm so freaking happy that you guys even watch my videos. It means a lot to me. Especially since I put so much work. And even though I don't have all this big fancy stuff, it really helps me out a lot that you guys watch my videos. So thank you guys a lot. So don't hesitate to ask me any questions you guys have. Anything you guys have, comment down below. If you guys like this video, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up. And if you guys, like I said, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and please subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for supporting me and loving me, and it means the world to me. Thank you guys so much. Finding YouTube and creating YouTube videos is something I never thought I would be able to do. This is not ever something I would have done when I was younger, since I was so camera shy. I'm just afraid of it. But now I learned every day that I'm sitting down doing videos that it is okay to talk to the camera. I am so comfortable now. I am very, very happy, because I'm able to connect myself with you guys from whatever you guys watch from me, whatever you guys want from me. If you guys are not following me on Instagram and Twitter, go ahead and follow me there. I'm always posting makeup looks there. And on Twitter, I'm always just kind of retweeting funny stuff. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.